we're getting set up to start cleaning. So it's mostly visual, but if you look at the monitoring of your system, you can see we'll reduce the production. You know, in some cases like 10 to 30% reduce when they're pretty soiled. This will take us all day. It's not that big of an array, but if we take our time, it's a lot more efficient. We figured out when we were doing the other farm, if you try to rush it, you're gonna have to go over a couple more times. You know, we'll be here for probably 6-7 hours on site. We'll lift up the old machine, slam it all together. The brushes click right on, and then all the wires just plug and play. These are all color coded, so you know exactly which ones go to where. It's a fast, easy system. But you want to know how well the machine's working. You know, we'll do a pass down, a pass back, and we kind of evaluate if we have to do another pass. There's a need for a service for all these systems on commercial solar. So, you know, from servicing inverters, you know, inverters have a shelf life, like those inverters there are like real old. There's fans, there's filters you got to change out, and then now we can offer cleaning.